Are you looking for an exciting lifestyle change? Well, this property could be just the golden ticket. So Oakmead in Brayford is accessed off of a 1/4 mile long driveway. It has privacy, tranquility and wildlife in abundance. The property itself possesses 4 bedrooms and has a 1-bedroom adjoining annexe. The property sits on a plot of approximately 10 acres and there's lakes and ponds with their own fishing rights. So this truly is an absolute one-off. If you'd like further information or even like to arrange a viewing, our number is 01769 573 181. We'll speak to you soon.